baby.
You can see what a ridiculously horrible job the previous contractor did. They didn't even try to finish off the surface. And over here you can see they didn't cut any joints, so everything just cracked. If you're going to patch a little area like this, you got to chip it out properly so that your patching material has a chance of staying put over multiple winters. Look how thin and ridiculously weak this concrete is. So now when you're digging out the bad base in preparation for putting your new concrete patch, take your time. Get it all out of there. Get it full depth. Watch out for the old wire mesh or rebar that's in this so you don't poke your hand. And then eventually what you want to do is dig out the bottom so it's kind of like a bell shape, and then your new patch won't pull out. All right, so you got a little concrete patching to do, and you got a point here where it'd be best if you put a form board, but you don't want to dig up the rocks. This is what you can do. Instant form board. Once everything was prepped and dug out the way we liked it, we patched everything in, but we didn't get out of there till way late at night. So we came back the next day and started snapping chalk lines to cut our new joints. Recutting the joints does two things. It gives it that nice clean look, and the sidewalk joints were there in the first place so the sidewalk slabs could move and try to center the crack in the joint. This job turned out great. Thanks for watching.